Curious about the key factors that drive the success of self-made millionaires? Here are 9 essential financial habits to implement immediately to embark on your path to prosperity. 1. Recognizing that capital serves merely as a resource. For a significant number of Americans, financial considerations frequently take precedence in their lives. It may appear as a catalyst for concern, anxiety, and discord in their lives. Many individuals express concerns about financial stability, and some, irrespective of their wealth, persist in the belief that they will never attain sufficient resources. The relentless quest for greater financial gain frequently prevents individuals from attaining the tranquility they seek. Instead of viewing money in a conventional manner, it's essential to recognize that it serves as a tool to prioritize what truly matters to you. Evaluate the aspects of life that truly hold significance, rather than attributing all value solely to financial gain. This could provide an opportunity to reevaluate your priorities as you navigate through life and its experiences. 2. Make informed financial decisions based on comprehensive data. There is a well-known saying often credited to Benjamin Franklin: "The person who fails to plan, plans to fail." It has come to my attention that a significant number of Americans invest more time in researching their next cell phone or vehicle purchase than they do in strategizing their financial future. This is particularly noteworthy given the research that underscores the advantages that strategic planning can deliver. Rather than making financial decisions without a comprehensive understanding of their long-term implications, it is advisable to create a detailed financial plan that can offer essential clarity in this domain. You may discuss the financial plan with your spouse to make it better and also to enhance your relationship. Please subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to create more financial video for you all. 3. Mitigate lifestyle inflation. How did you allocate the last raise or bonus you received from your employer? Have you allocated additional funds towards your financial planning objectives, or have you increased your expenditures on other discretionary items? As revenue increases, so does our inclination to indulge in more luxurious products and experiences. An ongoing rise in expenditures that surpasses income growth is referred to as lifestyle creep or lifestyle inflation. It is common to adjust spending in line with rising wages. However, it is crucial to be mindful of the potential risks associated with excessive spending that may jeopardize our ability to sustain our lifestyle in the future. Implementing retirement plans like a 401k is a strategic method to secure a significant portion of wage increases. For instance, upon receiving a 5% raise, it would be prudent to elevate your 401k contribution by that same percentage. Although implementing this may present challenges, it has the potential to significantly enhance your savings strategy. 4. Avoid financing assets that lose value over time. The Federal Reserve reports that Americans are currently managing a total credit card debt of $807 billion, with a remarkable $120 billion paid in interest to banks in 2021 alone. Utilizing borrowed funds for immediate expenditures can lead to significant financial challenges in the long run, as interest costs compound over time. Financial experts frequently discuss the distinction between advantageous debt and detrimental debt. Typically, advantageous debt refers to a loan secured against an asset that is likely to appreciate in value or contribute positively to your overall net worth, whereas disadvantageous debt pertains to a loan used for purchasing items that diminish in value over time. Where feasible, prioritize steering clear of financing these depreciating assets. 5. Ensure that your home purchase or rental aligns with your financial capacity. One of the most significant errors individuals can commit is allocating an excessive portion of their resources to housing expenses. Neglecting to accurately assess long-term expenses such as real estate taxes, homeowners association fees, utilities, and maintenance or repairs can lead to significant financial repercussions. It's crucial to recognize that acquiring or leasing more properties than your financial capacity allows can restrict your ability to allocate resources toward other objectives. Many individuals are inadvertently delaying their retirement dates due to acquiring more properties than their financial situation can sustain. Before making a home purchase, it is essential to conduct thorough calculations to determine your spending capacity. This approach ensures that you remain aligned with your overarching financial objectives, safeguarding your long-term success. 6. Mitigate your financial risks. Insurance serves to shift specific risks to an external entity, ensuring that you are not solely accountable for the entirety of any potential loss. health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and property and casualty insurance represent significant risks that can be effectively managed through transfer strategies. Securing comprehensive coverage and safeguarding against the unexpected is crucial, particularly when you have dependents such as a spouse, children, or family members who count on you. Engage with an independent resource to objectively evaluate coverage options and identify the best fit for your specific needs. Number 7. Understand your expenditures thoroughly. In today's landscape of monthly subscriptions and streamlined shopping experiences, it is common for consumers to accumulate an increasing number of services, fees, and subscriptions that can significantly add up over time. The array of monthly subscriptions for streaming music, movies, and online applications, alongside TV, internet, and household services, results in significant miscellaneous expenditures each month. When you combine these expenses with the convenience of one-click shopping at Amazon and other online retailers, it becomes evident that funds are exiting your accounts at a rapid pace, often outpacing the arrival of your packages. Ultimately, households often incur unnecessary expenses across various services, and addressing this financial waste can enable a strategic allocation of resources towards achieving long-term financial objectives. 8. Understand your actual after-tax earnings. It is surprising to note that a significant number of employees and retirees lack awareness regarding their after-tax income. Gross income represents the total amount you receive prior to deductions for taxes, expenses, and savings. It is the figure that the majority of individuals refer to as their income. The challenge we face is that a household with an income of $100,000 may effectively have only $70,000 in net income available to pursue their objectives. Households frequently base their budgets on gross income, leading to an overestimation of the actual funds available for their lifestyle choices. This may lead to increased costs and diminished savings rates. Number 9. Establish a robust emergency fund that can withstand economic downturns. What is the appropriate size for your cash reserve? The response is contingent upon the specific scenario you are preparing for. While a standard reserve of 3-6 months may suffice for many households employed in economically sensitive sectors that could face challenges during a downturn should evaluate the necessity of maintaining larger reserves. Furthermore, households dependent on a single income stream may also aim for more substantial reserves. It is essential for businesses to evaluate their working capital requirements and assess the necessity of securing lines of credit. FDIC-insured savings accounts, CDs, and online savings or direct banks represent viable options for reserves. Conducting thorough research online can reveal institutions that provide competitive rates. Explore www.bankrate.com to identify which banks provide the most competitive rates. Furthermore, implementing a laddered CD strategy could be advantageous in light of potential future rate fluctuations. Achievement stems from unwavering practices, and you now possess the framework to initiate your journey. Remember to engage with our content, subscribe, and activate notifications to receive more strategic insights for constructing your financial empire. Also, press the like button if you loved watching our video.